Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account step by step. So the first thing that we're going to do is open the Chrome app or Google. At the top, tap the user icon, then select the little arrow and you'll see an option that says add account to device, and go ahead and tap that. Next is tap create account. You'll get two options, one for personal use and one for work or business. So for me, I'm choosing for my personal use. And now, you'll be asked to enter your first name and last name, and after that, enter your birth date and gender. Then tap next. At this point, you'll get to choose your Gmail address. So pick the one that you like, then tap next. Create a password, hit next again, and you'll be taken to a screen to review your account info, and if you missed anything you can fix it here. And once everything looks good, tap next, agree to the terms and conditions, and wait for it to load, and just like that, your account is created. And there you have it. That's how you can create a Gmail account. Thanks for watching.